KitKat has become a global phenomenon, delighting chocolate lovers of all generations.
How Cadbury dairy milk is made, starting from the lush cocoa farms to the factory, where milk and chocolate come together to create the magic you love. Did you know that every half PB bar of Cadbury dairy milk uses a whole glass and a half of fresh milk? That's right, the secret behind its smooth, creamy taste is the high-quality milk that goes into it. So, next time you indulge, remember that delicious glass and a half of fresh milk. Join Behind the Bites on an exciting journey into the world of chocolate, making Cadbury style from sunny cocoa farms to bustling factories. Will show you how cocoa beans transform into silky, smooth chocolate and how Cadbury special milk creates that signature taste. Ready to discover the sweet secrets behind every square of Cadbury dairy milk? Grab a bar, get comfy, and let's dive in. Don't forget to hit subscribe and join Behind the Bites on this sweet adventure. The history story of Cadbury dairy milk is a rich, flavorful journey that began over a century ago. In 1905, George Cadbury Jr., the son of the company's founders, set out on a mission to create the world's creamiest, most delicious milk chocolate. With a dream in mind and years of dedication, he introduced the first ever Cadbury dairy milk bar. What made it stand out? It contained more milk than any other chocolate bar at the time. This groundbreaking creation was a huge hit, quickly capturing the hearts of chocolate lovers. By 1914, it had become Cadbury's top-selling product. Over the years, the Cadbury dairy milk range expanded, offering an exciting variety of flavors and formats, everything from classic milk coic to fruit and nut varieties. Today, Cadbury dairy milk continues to win the hearts of chocolate lovers all over the world. It's not just a chocolate bar, it's a legacy of sweetness and quality that has stood the test of time. Quiz time. Before we dive deeper into the making of Cadbury dairy milk, it's quiz time with Behind the Bites. Can you guess the color of the iconic Cadbury dairy milk wrapper? Is it purple, blue, or green? Drop your answer in the comments below, and let's see who knows their chocolate. Now let's follow the journey of Cadbury dairy milk, starting from the lush tropical regions where cocoa trees thrive. These trees, cocoa beans, produce large pods filled with the precious cocoa beans that are the heart of every chocolate bar. Curry sources its cocoa beans from countries within the Cocoa Belt, a region that stretches about 20 degrees north and south of the equator. This region includes cocoa-producing countries like Ghana, Nigeria, and Brazil. Do you know any other countries that produce cocoa? Share your answer in the comments below. The process of selecting the finest cocoa beans starts with expert buyers who handpick only the best. They ensure that the beans meet Cadbury's high-quality standards. Once selected, the beans are carefully transported to Cadbury's state-of-the-art factories, where the magic begins. Cadbury is milk, famous for using a whole glass and a half of fresh milk in every half-pound bar of dairy milk. But why is milk so important in the process? Well, the answer lies in the texture and flavor of the chocolate. The rich, creamy texture and smooth taste are due to the high-quality milk that is used in every bar. The milk used in Cadbury dairy milk is sourced from local dairy farms, ensuring it's fresh and supporting the local communities that supply it. Once harvested, the milk undergo a special process of condensation to remove excess water. This results in a rich milk powder that is blended with the cocoa liquor to create the magic we all love, and Cadbury has been perfecting this process for over 50 years, maintaining the same high standards of quality that make their chocolate so irresistible. Once the cocoa beans arrive at the factory, the next step is roasting. But before roasting, the roasting beans are thoroughly cleaned to ensure they're freed from impurities. After that, they're roast to perfection. This is a crucial step in developing the rich, complex flavors and aromas that make Cadbury dairy milk so delicious. The roasting time and temperature are carefully controlled depending on the origin of the beans and the desired flavor profile. As the beans roast, their natural sugars caramelize, releasing flavors and aromas like nuttiness hints of spice and a smoky touch by the end of the roasting process. The beans are transformed into fragrant cocoa ready for the next stage of its journey. This is when the magic really starts to happen. Now it's time for the blending process. The cocoa liquor is carefully mixed with milk powder and sugar. Three key ingredients that make Cadbury Dairy Milk stand out from other chocolates. The milk powder gives the chocolate that signature creamy texture and milky sweetness, while the sugar balances the richness of the cocoa. These ingredients are carefully blended and refined using rollers to create a smooth, silky paste. This process reduces the size of the cocoa solids and syrup, that every bite has a consistent flavor and that melt in your mouth. Chocolate experience. We all conching love the next big step in the chocolate making process is called conching. This process involves kneading and stirring the chocolate mixture for hours, sometimes even days. King is essential for giving Cadbury Dairy Milk its signature silky smooth texture and rich, deep flavor. During this process, excess moisture evaporates, which intensifies the chocolate's flavors and helps break down cocoa butter crystals for that perfect mouthfeel. By the end of conching, the chocolate becomes a glossy, velvety mass ready for the next stage. Next up is tempering. This is where the chocolate is carefully heated and cooled to specific temperatures. Why? Well, tempering ensures that the cocoa butter crystallizes in a stable way, which gives the chocolate its glossy finish, satisfying snap and smooth texture. Once the chocolate is tempered, it is poured into molds which are vibrated to remove any air bubbles and make sure the bars have the perfect shape. At this point, a packaging panel of trained experts conducts a taste test to evaluate the flavor profile and ensure it matches the signature Cadbury taste. Once the chocolate solidifies in the molds, the bars are carefully removed and sent through automated wrapping machines. Each bar is wrapped in Cadbury's signature purple foil adorned with the famous logo and the iconic glass and a half symbol. The WRA bars are then packed into boxes, ready to be shipped worldwide. Cadbury Dairy Milk bars are sent to chocolate lovers all over the globe, bringing joy and sweetness to every corner of the world. Cat Buys parent company Mandela International is committed to making a positive impact on the planet and the communities it works with. Through its Cocoa Life program, Cadbury is working towards ambitious sustainability goals. By 2025, Cadbury aims to source all the cocoa used in its dairy milk chocolate. Through this program, this ensures that sustainability cocoa is grown in a way that benefits farmers, their families, and the environment. The company is also focused on empowering women in cocoa growing communities. Cadbury offers training, resources, and opportunities for women to become leaders and entrepreneurs in the cocoa industry. This is part of their broader commitment to making a difference for the farmers and the communities they work with. Plus, Cadbury is making strides to reduce its environmental footprint by promoting sustainable farming practices, protecting forests, and cutting down on waste and emissions. With all these efforts, Cadbury aims to create a brighter future for cocoa farmers, their communities, and the planet, all while continuing to deliver the delicious chocolate that consumers love. And that's it for our sweet journey through the world of Cadbury Dairy Milk. We hope you enjoyed learning about the incredible process.
Thank you for watching the entire video. If you find it useful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. We promise to bring you lots of great content and lessons interesting about traffic safety. Thank you very much and see you in the next video.